Hey, I'm Dilby. Check out my new remix masterclass for Fader Pro. In this course, I'm going to show you how I reinterpret an original production with my signature chart-topping deep house sound. I'm taking you behind the scenes, all the way from how I gather my initial ideas and inspiration to adding the final touches and details, and everything in between. I'll demonstrate the importance of creating a strong foundation and groove, and how I arrange the track to take the listener on a journey by focusing on creating drama using tension and release. These are the tips and tricks that have seen me become an in-demand remixer and garner support from the industry's top DJs. When I approach a remix, I want to put as much of myself into it while still staying true to the original record. It's a fine balance, and I'm going to show you how to select the right elements from the original and how to flip them and make them your own.